Students, today I am going to start chapter 16 Light class 8th. The word is largely known in through the sense. The sense of sight is one of the most important sense. Through it we see mountain, rivers, trees, plants, chairs, people and so many other things around us. What makes things visible? Have you ever thought how we see various objects? You may say that I see the object, but can you see an object in the dark? It means that eyes alone cannot see any object. It is only when light from an object enter our eyes that we see the object. The light may have been emitted by the object or may have been reflected by it. A polished or shiny surface can act as a mirror. A mirror change the direction of light that fall on it. It is a mirror. It is a polished surface. This can change the direction of light. When this is a incident ray light. This light ray strike this mirror and change the direction and reflect it this direction. So the incident ray of light which strike the surface of the mirror and the rays of light that gets reflected from the surface of the mirror is called refracted ray. It is a normal. The angle between from the incident ray and normal is called angle of incident. It denoted by I, small I. This is the angle of refracted angle. The angle formed between the normal and refracted ray. It is the called the angle of reflection. It is denoted by R. So there are two laws of reflection. This angle is also will be equal to this angle. Means if the angle is I is 60 degree, then this also will be 60 degree. So there are two laws of reflection. First law, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. It's the first law. Second law, incident ray, reflected ray and the normal draw at a point of incidence to the reflecting surface lie in the same plane. These all three lies in the same plane. This is the same plane. What is a lateral inversion? The phenomena of left appearing right and right appearing left in a plane mirror is called lateral inversion. In this diagram, left hand appears on the right side in the image. There are two types of reflection, regular reflection and diffuse reflection. Regular reflection. It takes place on a smooth surface. It has all the reflected ray in parallel. Reflected ray are in one direction. This diagram is showing regular reflection. It takes place on a smooth surface. It has the reflected ray in parallel and the one direction. What is a diffuse reflection? It takes place on a rough surface. Reflected rays are not parallel. Reflected rays are scattered in different direction. This is a irregular reflection. In it occur in a rough surface or they are not parallel. The rays diffuse in different direction. This diagram is showing mirror at the hairdresser shop. In it, this boy can see backside from the other mirror. This is due to reflected light can be reflected again. What is a kaleidoscope? An instrument used to show multiple images having numerous beautiful patterns is called kaleidoscope. These diagrams are showing making of kaleidoscope. Sunlight is white or colored. Actually, sunlight is a color of the band of the seven color. When the sunlight passes through a prism, it splits or breaks into its seven constituent color. It is called the dispersion of light. Rainbow is a natural phenomena showing dispersion. This is the diagram is the human eye. In a human eye, ciliary muscle, iris, lens, cornea, optic nerve, retina, these all part of the eye. Care of the eye. It is necessary that you take proper care of your eyes. If there is any problem, you should go to an eye specialist, have a regular checkup. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Too little or too much light is bad for eyes. Insufficient light causes eye strain and headache. Too much light, like that of the sun, a powerful lamp or a laser torch can injure the retina. Retina is the part of eye. Do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. Never rub your eyes if patient of dust if particles of dust go into our eyes. Wash your eyes with clean water. If there is no improvement, go to a doctor. Always read at the normal distance for vision. Do not read by bringing the book too close to your eyes or keeping it too far. Its are the some measurements how we can prevent our eyes. What is a braille? The most popular sources for visually challenged person is braille. Visually challenged person can read and write using the braille system. This script was written by for the blind person. It's a script of braille system. Braille system has 63 dots, patterns or characters. Now I would like the summary of this chapter point wise. Light is reflected from all surfaces. Regular reflection take place when light is incident on smooth, polished and regular surface. Diffuse or irregular reflection take place from rough surface. There are two laws of reflection. First is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Incident ray, second law, incident ray, reflected ray and the normal drawn at the point of incident to the reflecting surface lie in the same plane. Image formed in a plane mirror undergoes lateral inversion. Two mirrors inclined to each other give multiple images. Beautiful patterns are formed in a kaleidoscope because of multiple reflection. Sunlight, called white light, consists of 7 colors. Splitting of light into its constituent color is known as dispersion. Part of the eye are cornea, iris, pupil, lens, retina and optic nerves. A normal eye can see nearby and distant object clearly. Visually impaired person means blind person can read and write using the braille system. Visually impaired person develop their other senses more sharply to improve their interaction with their environment. So this chapter is completed. Bye bye students. Take care yourself.